Hello again, this is Jeremy Artz, Product Manager for McGuire Vehicle Restraints and IDOT Controls. Today I want to talk to you about why cost is not a good reason not to buy vehicle restraints and install them at all your dock positions. Okay, $41,000 is the average direct cost of a worker injury accident in the US today. Okay, so that's $41,000, the average direct cost. Indirect costs can be up to $1.2 million on average. It's a lot of money. Okay, $5,000 is an estimated vehicle restraint cost per unit cost that we're going to use today. You can buy vehicle restraints for more than that. You can buy vehicle restraints for less than that. But for purposes of this video, I want to use $5,000 because it's probably right in the wheelhouse of a good average. Okay, so that's how many of these can you buy for the cost of one accident? Well, it's about 8. Okay, might be more. Okay, you can install vehicle restraints in maybe more than 8 of your loading docks for the cost of the average cost of one accident. Okay, so really, when it comes down to it, there's a high risk even in facilities with an average level of busyness. They're not the busiest facilities out there. They're not just sitting around, but they have an average level of busyness. They have hundreds of thousands, if not millions of opportunities every year for forklift fall through accidents or early departure accidents, things like that, where the forklift and this driver can fall down to the drive and get hurt or possibly killed. So really, would you rather, spend $41,000 to deal with one of those accidents or spend $40,000 to install 8 $5,000 vehicle restraints that are going to last you for years to come and help prevent those accidents for years to come? I mean, really, to me, it's a simple choice. It's not the time to wait to install restraints to after you have an accident. It's not a good idea. Don't go down that road. You don't want to put your seatbelt on in your car after you've had an accident. You don't want to install smoke detectors in your home after you've had a fire. Don't wait to have an accident in your loading docks before you talk about installing vehicle restraints. Okay, take care of it early. Take care of it before near miss or an accident happens, and you'll be protecting your business and your people for years to come. Okay, so until next time, please stay safe.